good Monday morning. A great way to get a good start for your week is to have the end in mind at first. What is it you want to accomplish? What are the things you need to do and want to do? Think about Friday when the day is over. And from this point today, now to then, what will you have done to make sure those things happen? You just can't think them because life happens, right? Life gets in the way of the things we need to do. So my encouragement is to be intentional. Have a day planner in your phone. Write those down. Have alerts. Carve out time to do those things you need to do, because before you know it, Friday afternoon is here and nothing gets accomplished. Teach your mind. Be active. See it, write it, say it, speak it, and have it set. Have those alerts and get those things done. Living excellent. Have a great day. Ready? Go.